In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send an invite, so a colleague can jump into your workspace and start collaborating right away. First, make sure you're signed in and you have permission to invite people to your Asana workspace or organization. If your company manages invitations centrally, you may need admin access. It also helps to confirm you're in the correct workspace before inviting anyone, especially if you use multiple accounts. You can verify that from your profile area at the top of the screen and switch if needed. Start on the Asana home screen. This is your central hub showing recent projects, tasks, and anything you've starred. From here, look toward the top of the interface for the Create button. It's typically in the upper area and may appear with a plus sign. Click Create to open the menu of Quick Actions. In the menu that appears, choose Invite. This opens the invitation panel where you can enter who you want to bring into Asana. Think of this panel as your guest list. The people you invite will get an email with a secure link to join your workspace. Now add email addresses for the team members you want to invite. You can type or paste multiple addresses, separated by commas or spaces. It's best to use your organization's work emails so the new members land in the right place with the correct access. Double-check the spelling of each address to avoid bounces. If there's an optional message field, add a short note that tells your teammate why they're being invited and which projects they'll be working on. Clear context helps new members accept quickly and know what to expect when they log in. When everything looks good, click Send. Asana will deliver the invitations immediately. Your teammates will receive an email prompting them to join, set up their account if they haven't already, and then access your workspace. If someone doesn't see the message right away, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder, or try sending the invite again later. Once they accept, they'll appear in your member list, and you can assign tasks to them, mention them in comments, and collaborate in projects. Keep in mind that new members will only see what they've been shared on, so sensitive projects remain private unless you add them. That's it. Open Asana Home, click Create, choose Invite, add their email addresses, and send. You've successfully added a team member to a